iniikutan ni Officer De Los Santos kasama ang bitag ang commercial complex na ito sa South San Francisco. Agad niyang naispatan ang kaduda-dudang kilos ng dalawang lalaking ito. Mabilis ang bumaba si Officer De Los Santos sa kanyang sasakyan.
How's it going? Where you guys headed?
Oh, we're just looking to find her right now.
Are you the one you guys are on probation, right?
No,
What about him?
no.
What's his name?
Michael, sir.
You have your ID on you?
I don't. It's at home.
Oh, it's at home?
Yes, sir. That's where we're heading now. We're heading to my home.
Siniguro ni Officer De Los Santos na hindi miyembro ng gang ang mga ito na gumagala sa nasabing lugar na kung kaya't hinanapan niya ng ID ang isang ito. Pagmasdan ng pagiging irritable ng lalaking ito sa cameraman ng bitag, hiniling nito na wag namin siyang kuhanan.
You think I can ask you a favor, sir? Could you please take that off me?
I don't worry about that, brother.
I mean,
It's all
I'm
good.
just, I don't.
Can you do me a favor? Just keep your hands out of your pockets. You mind if I take it out so that way, just take your hands out of your pockets. What's that?
Kind of do. I need.
You don't lock your fingers.
Isinagawa ni Officer De Los Santos ang frisking. Siniguro niyang wala itong dalang patalim o armas sa kanyang katawan.
Okay, well, I can see. Dude, you have a razor on you, so I'm going to make sure that whatever's in your pockets that you're not supposed to have, that you're not going to hurt me with. Okay? It's for my safety and for yours. You know what I mean?
Nahalata agad ni Officer De Los Santos na may dalang patalim ang lalaking ito, kung kaya't panay ang lingon niya sa paligid na posibleng may kasama sa paligid lang ang lalaking ito.
I'm tripping more about the weapons. You know what I mean? You say you have a knife and you're putting your hands in your pocket. It's just one of those things. You know what I mean? A little bit of blood, I can care less.
Nang makuhang patalim sa suspect, inilagay ito ni Officer De Los Santos sa malayo. Kukunin lamang ito ng lalaki kapag nakabalik na sa sasakyan si Officer De Los Santos.
Alright, so you're all set, man. Just next time, food for thought, man. If you got something on you, don't be putting your hands in your pockets. You know what I mean? Because that's how you're going to end up causing red flags for me. You know what I mean? Okay?
Thank you, brother.
All right, bro. Yeah. You can go ahead and pick that up. Don't forget your